Priority, priority, priority. Priority, priority. Priority, priority. Girl, you my priority.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight Renando. You know it's your boss Nando and I building with another episode and another vlog. But this vlog here, me just is another reasoning again with the people them. And you know I respect and give thanks to all the people them who are tuning into my channel and support and like up the video and comment in the comment section. Big up to all of the loyalists them, big up to all of the viewers and the subscribers. So my day are another reasoning. I look into myself, I meds, because I listen to a song, right? I just listen to Is You. And when I reflect back on the time when Is You dropped and all the dancehall space was like, and everybody was saying that Alkaline, the songs them we are, the songs them we are sing now really connect or whatever. But when I really think back in on yourself, you know say when Alkaline came into the dancehall space, Alkaline tapped into a different fusion sound in the dancehall. Alkaline kicked off the door with a different sound on the dancehall scene. If y'all can think back from 1, 2, 3, Things Me Love, Things Take Time, Move Mountain. If y'all think back and listen to those songs, you would understand and you would know that Alkaline kick off the door, bring forth a different sound into dancehall, you know. Literally a different sound, you know, because as I said, I just did listen to Is You and I listen to the elements of sound into Is You and the song just stuck in my head because even the sample in the rhythm, you know, with the lady in her background and she say those sound, bro, people really have to give thanks and give credit and give respect to the fact that Alkaline bring forth a newer sound to the dancehall genre because as I said, the genre used to be like, the dancehall space used to be like drum and bass type of sound, the high tempo type of beats them. But the fact that Alkaline is in dancehall and he is gracing dancehall with a different fusion sound, people don't understand. It's like people can't understand say Alkaline in the space of dancehall. We have to give thanks say a man like him is in dancehall gracing us with sounds like Is You, sounds like Mad Love, sounds like First Touch, different sounds, different elements, variations of style. Like we literally have to give thanks to the dog really out here do it. And you know, as I say people, you see Alkaline sounds, it was never been here before. That's why people not like it. That's why, because they are not used to it. They are not privy to those sounds. So when you tap into a song like Death Announcement, right? When you chop the lyrics them and you hear the bell, the funeral bell in the rhythm, big up to Javi Ambassador. But when you tap into Death Announcement and you chop it, yam fuck boy force right, one place I say you no killer them or them a both side. Pussy you will get a true slice, burst me rifle upon your nazi in a foot like on a fortnight. Go over them, go. Those sounds, bro. Dancehall no used to them sounds there. Dancehall no know them type of style there. So when Alkaline bring those style, it seems like foreign to the average ears of dancehall and Jamaican people. So as you may say, I'm a sit down and me a meds. This is just a short clippings with me, just a reason. But as me I say, people, Alkaline are one of them artists that will bring futuristic sounds to dancehall. And for us dancehall lovers, because we are not used to these type of fusion sounds they are being forth in our culture, because as I say, viewers and subscribers, Alkaline kick down the gate with a different sound, a different style, which is why you hear him come on the interview and him telling us, you know, him more in a theme style, you know. Him a experiment, him a do some style that we never seen before, has never been seen before, bro. Like literally, if you listen to Bass for Every Bass, Bass for Every Bass is a traditional sound, so it grabs the ears of people. But this is what's to show you that Alkaline is an experiment type of artist. Alkaline is a genius. Remember, Alkaline went onto the spelling bee, not the spelling bee, the school challenge quiz, and telling us, in the near future, he will become a research scientist, Bro, the man is researching and scientifically mobilizing the sound where he might use in a music. Enough people not get it. Enough people not understand the levels of style where Alkaline bring forth in a dancehall. Like me telling you, the era where we're in, it's a music video era, which is understandable why enough people can't take on to it. Like me there search the web, and me search majority of Alkaline's girl soul songs them, where people underrate it when them just read. And you see now, they are complete classics. If you search the web and search eye props, remember say them say eye props are garbage, Remember say them eye props are fool song, And every time you hear eye props, it come like a something new. Like the man say, bubble up your waistline, baby. Girl, you just a drive man crazy, so yeah. I miss a one piece of hotness. Come on, me take you up on the ride like the rodeo. I miss say, bubble up your waistline, baby. Girl, you just a double man a crazy, so yeah. I miss a one piece of hotness. Come on, we take you up on the ride. Call, read that girl with your eye props. I'ma feel forget till the climax, yeah. Body, bro, me a telling you, dog, you need to appreciate the fact that Alkaline is in dancehall, gracing the genre with a total different sound, a total different style. The element where the man a tap into, bro, me just bend or people not appreciate the music nowadays. But you know notice, note this, because you see music, once you put it out there in a universe, it can't go back in. It can't reverse time because it is out there already. So even if you don't gravitate to a certain sounds now, gradually when you hear it out there a play or hear it among someone, with a friend or family, you eventually start understand, because music is a mood type of thing. And if you're in certain mood, you can't comprehend certain sounds. Like for example, if you're struggling with poverty, certain songs now resonate with you. When you hear a song where a man a flaunt in it and a sing about him luxury life, the money where him have, this and that. But when you hear a poverty song, it would resonate with you. You will comprehend with it, and you say, yo, Jano, man, break out of poverty. That song I give me motivation. That song I sing something, it highlight the struggles and stuff like that. So you will comprehend with it. But when you are in a certain situation, a certain circumstances in a life, for example, saying that you're wealthy, saying that your life Carper said sort out and alright. When you hear certain songs, like certain songs about money, riches, wealth, those songs will resonate with you. So that's why I say, bro, you see, music is a mood type of thing. You see, if your mood not swing a certain way when you listen to certain song, you're not gonna vibe with it, because some of the time when even Alkaline drop some songs, people it not resonate with people until due time. In due time, because every day I think about it and I say, yo, there are so many songs where Alkaline drop where the people them take on to, And when you look back now, at the same set of people them when you take on to the song, I rally round and a champion and I go on and I enjoy the song. Because prime example, TikTok. TikTok is a space where people vibe to music. You have the privilege to buy vibes to music on TikTok without being strike or without being copyrighted. So people do videos, do pictures and put the music over them pictures. So when you listen and you go over TikTok and you surf the web and you look on some of the things them, some of the songs them where resonate with people, you would think and you said, shit. Now them song of people did a shun and I say no sound good. Like I can also remember one vlogger who goes by the name Brando. Remember when Brando come out and say Pretty Girl Team no sound good. It sound like Alkaline I sing half beat, because Alkaline tap into a different sound. Like the man say, Pretty girl with a body where would a mad anybody. Me have to put up on my team. Give her some cocky first time turn hobby. Rest of history if you know what I mean. Me say, hey, pretty girl, what you doing out there? Say she hurting her love and no she don't care. Pretty girl with a body where would a mad anybody. So me take her off for the saying. And me a tell her no, me usually follow Brando YouTube channel. And when Brando say pretty girl team, no sound like Alkaline dip on the beat, in sound like him a offbeat. Me have to look into myself and me have to say, Jano, this generation yeah, no privy to them sound, that them not used to them style yeah. It's like foreign to them. So that is to say this, that bro, Alkaline sound is futuristic. Listen up, Alkaline sound is futuristic. Why you think say Alkaline go on a certain beat? When you think, say, him just do it after just doing it, he does those intentionally. He goes on certain beat intentionally because he's bringing forth something new to the genre. What as an artist, what would it be like for you at the music, the average, same way every day of your life? You wouldn't grow. That would seem like insanity. You're doing the same thing over and over and expecting something better out of it. That is insanity. So the fact that Alkaline, they in a dancehall genre, grace the genre with new sounds, futuristic sounds, that just proves to you that Mans is a creative genius. Mans is a legend to the genre, bro. The style, as I said, like I don't know. Alright, look at prime example, I don't know. I don't do it also, you know, but because I don't have that type of impact on the genre, like him telling you, you know, bro, I don't tell him say him is a rap type of dancehall artist, you know. Him bring some sound in a dancehall where people no new used to, you know, or know, you know. Remember I don't song wind up body, move on it like ball, move like it's a back, put it at the wall, balance for you and them, run like, bro, me a telling you, bro, if you don't know dancehall history, bro, you don't know so some of the sounds them enter dancehall space, so futuristic. That's why I'm telling you about Idonia and Alkaline. Them man there, them two artists there, they experiment with sound. Them because some people are used to the sound. I understand say those artists did act back then. Idonia did act. Alkaline and mash up the place. But because you know people, as I say, every artist have them day in a dancehall. Every artist have them moment in a dancehall. Because currently, no five artists them not have no big buzz, but as I said, but every dog have them bone. Every dog have them day. Every artist have them day in a dancehall. So when you see Alkaline in a this genre, a push a certain type of element in a music, in a dancehall genre, many people now gonna appreciate it, but in due time they will appreciate it because I'm telling you, bro, the era where we're in because it's a music video era, certain things now gonna connect certain way. But as I say, people, some Alkaline songs them futuristic, bro. Like even First Touch. Listen First Touch rhythm. Listen when the song starts and you hear the same sample also. And the person that say, I just wanna see your face. Ooh, I just wanna see your face. And then Alkaline jump in and say, now violate, make we take we out together, make we fly away. So we start, so we stay. Just a smile for you, make your love like make my day. First touch, see. First touch, feel like the first time I touch, see. Pin it down, go and count, nah. Buy pussy, nah, no bag, go and see front. Like bat, weak, bro, me a telling you, bro. You see the sounds, we're in a dancehall, brother. You need for get with the time, brother. The sound, you need for elevate, you need for grow. Because the sounds that you used to, you think a dancehall artists not for grow past them things there. Artists are like scientists indirectly, you know, because they experiment. They don't, well, you have some artists who go in the studio, go sing over the same type of songs, in the same flow. Like, prime example, Riding King are one of those artists. Massacre are one of those artists. Chronicler are one of those artists. Valiant are one of those artists. Don't get me wrong, I rate all of the artists them, but as I said, experimenting with sounds, those artists don't really do that. They really sing into the same kind of cadence, the same kind of flow. So you can understand when I say Alkaline is a cut above the rest. Alkaline, they in a different league by himself, which is why Alkaline said, bro, them want to compare me. I'm like, oh, feel me deserve an apology right now, because his way how him go about music, it's not just the regular. You won't hear another One More Time. You won't hear another Hostage. You won't hear another Pretty Girl Team. You won't hear another Spoil You. You won't hear another After All. And I can go on and on and on. But this is what me I say, bro. Music, as an artist, you should be able to bring something new to the table every time you pop out. Every time you pop out. So, bro, I listen to Priority, countless times, bro. And every time I listen to the song hit me a different way, with a different style, a different melody. Like the man said, priority. And the man say, active, baby, stay good, man. Them a look over your body like. When she walk, look, you just a ride up, pop out and you capture everybody light. Yes, boo, pussy wet, it coming like night, Jew. Mad cute. And I kept my nose to the eye, true. She not frightened because she used to the flashy life and money drip. When I time flip the script, no chop, that is it, this and a regular bitch. Shake and snap picture, sip liquor, pose and sleep and swallow dick. Have motion, girl, super thick. Circus think she not fuck with it. Bro, as me telling you, bro, the type of style where Alkaline I bring forth in a dancehall, you guys need to appreciate it, because Alkaline a grace dancehall with a different sound, a different style. Remember, fusion sound is in dancehall, and Alkaline are one of them artists there where help propel fusion sound in a dancehall. Props to every artist will do it, but Alkaline are one of them artists that when him come out in a dancehall, remember the man, the Bounty Killer, the Cartel, the Movado, the Bean Man, the whole of them back then a run off dancehall. But the day when Alkaline come in a dancehall scene, bust off in a dancehall scene with 1, 2, 3, everybody was like, who that dude there? That dude there sound so, them artists are sound so. Him sound different. That is what me are showing now. The sound, the futuristic sound, that me are showing. But viewers and subscribers, me not really length out that vlog too long. But as me I say, make me know when you think about the perspective when me I share in that vlog. Share on the thoughts in the comment section. You know already, man. A vibes and insight with Nando. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.
Active, baby, stay good, man. Them all over your body like.